Now here we're dealing with load side equipment and load side grounding in accordance with 250.142B. Now the basic rule is that the overcurrent device determines the size of your equipment ground. But notice in this section that we're dealing with, we have group meters. 250.142B as in boy, exception 2, where the grounded conductor of the service equipment could be used to ground those meters. Likewise, if you had a range, cooktop, ovens, or dryers, and so forth, the grounded neutral conductor in existing branch circuits, like we looked at earlier, could be used in accordance with 250.142B as in boy, exception 1, and 250.140. DC systems fall under the same rule. We could use the grounded conductor to ground that DC system in accordance with 250.136A and 250.164B2, as well as table 250.142B, exception 3. Now what this is pointing out is where the grounded conductor of the service equipment to the left, coming in with the phase conductors, can be used to ground the equipment that you see in the illustration that we just discussed, and the grounding procedure would not be sized based upon the overcurrent protection device. And that's what this figure 16-126 is illustrating, an exception to the rule.